In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix junk mail in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to tighten Outlook's built-in junk filtering and create a simple rule to automatically move unwanted messages to the junk email folder. First, open Outlook on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mail, especially if you just launched it, so the settings panel will reflect your most recent account configuration. Next, look to the top right and click the settings icon that looks like a small gear. This opens a quick settings panel. If the panel is compact, don't worry. You can expand or open full settings from there so you can see all the options we need. Inside settings, choose mail from the sidebar. This narrows the settings down to mail-specific controls and makes it easier to find the spam tools we're about to adjust. Now select junk email. Here you'll see the main filtering options. Choose between standard and strict filtering. Standard is a balanced choice. Outlook's smart filters will catch obvious spam while keeping most legitimate emails in your inbox. Strict is tighter and sends more borderline messages to junk email. If you've been missing important messages, stick with standard. If you're overwhelmed with spam or repeated promotions slipping through, try strict. Whichever you choose, plan to check your junk email folder for a few days afterward. If you find a legitimate message there, move it back to your inbox so Outlook learns from that correction. These changes take effect right away. While you're still in settings, go to Rules. Rules let you automatically sort or move mail based on conditions you define, which is perfect for consistently flagging certain unwanted emails. Click Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Something like Move Promos to Junk or Block Repeated Offers. Set a condition for the rule. A reliable starting point is Subject includes specific word, where you replace the placeholder with a word or phrase that appears in the unwanted messages you receive most often. You could also use the sender or part of a domain if that's more predictable for your situation. Then set the action to move to junk email. This ensures any message matching your condition bypasses the inbox and lands directly in the junk email folder. Save the rule to apply it. From now on, new messages that match your rule will be routed automatically. If a rule is too aggressive, you can edit or turn it off in the same rules section. That's it. Adjust your junk filter level, create a focused rule, and keep an eye on your junk email folder for the next few days to fine-tune. Thanks for watching.